Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Norton 360. Click the icon in the system Tray or Launch from Start. Once logged in with an administrator account, go directly to Settings. You need to access Antivirus, then find Auto Protect. This is the primary real-time shield. Turn Auto Protect off temporarily, and when prompted, choose the duration. Make sure you understand this leaves your system unprotected for that time. Remember why. Disabling lets you perform specific actions like installing software or troubleshooting without interference. Once Auto Protect is off, continue by disabling complementary features that may block changes. Go to Firewall and toggle it off if necessary, and check Sonar or intrusion prevention modules. If Norton prevents setting changes, temporarily disable tamper protection from Settings Administrative or Device Security. This unlocks configuration controls. Make sure to apply and confirm each change. Some toggles require a restart, so allow it. You do this because multiple layers can stop uninstallers or other tasks. Clear them systematically. To complete, uninstall Norton via Windows Settings apps, select Norton 360 and choose Uninstall. Follow prompts. If the app resists removal, download and run the Norton Remove and Reinstall tool, or restart in safe mode and run the uninstaller there. After removal, reboot normally and verify no background services remain. If problems persist, install failures, error codes, or reappearing services, run the removal tool again and then contact Norton support. Key tip: use safe mode and the official removal utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.